Joining us now to discuss is Nick Mancini, research analyst at Trade the Chain. Welcome to the show, Nick. So I guess the question is, when are we going to see a breakout? What headwinds, tailwinds are you watching out for that could influence movement in either direction?
Yes, great question. And I do wish that I could whip out my crystal ball and give everyone, a very clear path of where Bitcoin may head over the next week or so. But I do believe that you hit the nail right on the head. Anything under 40K is going to be hotly contested. We're seeing a lot of order book interest in the, everywhere from 33K all the way up to about 40K. And that's basically, when price lifts above that, we see that act as support. But when there's a lot of interest, continually above price as well, then that's resistance. So basically what I'm saying is Bitcoin is being forced into this zone by the market where it's kind of just bouncing around the moving averages as the market really digests a lot of the news that's come. We had an extreme month of bearish news, then we've had some neutral news. We had the Fed make a lot of claims the other week in regard to future plans and how that may affect commodities as well as Bitcoin. So there's been a lot happening. It's been tough to make sense of, but fortunately sentiment has been very closely correlated with price over the past few weeks, and we've been trading a lot off sentiment as working with our clients and our community members based off that. And we believe that given the current bounce and the technicals of the bullish RSI divergence that we're seeing on the charts, in relation to your RSI comment earlier, we do believe that Bitcoin is on a greener path, although we are still going to see a lot of resistance as we work our way up to 40K.
And what announcement are you looking for that could be the driver of a price in either direction, up or down?
So one of the key things that we're looking for is something that's really going to catalyze sentiment in a way that it actually permeates across the entire industry. Right now, we're seeing sentiment act as kind of a daily or semi-multi-day indicator, and we haven't seen anything that's really influencing sentiment to say price is going to continue to move up on this news. We're seeing a lot of topsy-turviness. So I think if we move it back into kind of the mining conversation, which seems to be a major driver of miners leaving China, setting up shop in Wyoming, Texas, Florida, Kazakhstan, everywhere else. The big driver that we are looking for is hash rate increasing. Although it has taken a dip over the weekend with price rising on some interesting technicals, we do believe that once hash rate truly bottoms and begins to rise at a steady rate, a maintained rate, we believe that that may be one of the large drivers that tells the market, okay, Bitcoin is back.